Hi, thank you for joining Reseller Rowboat. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and better yet, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell and you'll be notified the next time I upload a video or go live. For April, I decided to use the Muppet theme, and frankly, one of the reasons why I chose it is because Muppets are really easy to draw. I am artistically challenged, but I found that you can draw Muppets very easily just by looking at the shape of their head. So you will see about 20 sketches that I did of the different Muppets. Please let me know in the comments below which is your favorite Muppet of all time. Also, you will see some photos of celebrities who were on the Muppet Show. This month I decided that I want to concentrate on reflection. And by that I mean noticing things that are small, like the weather. I want to reflect on my day by writing thoughts. I want to walk and drink my water and do things that I can for myself while I'm in quarantine. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this month's bullet journal.